Hello everybody, thanks for watching this quick video or an update on Apple stock. Just using a simple technical analysis, let's see if we can predict the next step of this stock. So in front of us there is again one of our candlestick. We are in the US marketplace with Apple, of course, and using just a simple exponential moving average of 100 as length, this one worked very well as support for this bullish trend. As we can see easily, to understand this exponential moving average, it worked as support lines for this bullish trend. And again, for this one, I mean, if you play around with the length, changing it a little bit, it gives us, we could have found this support as well. But this is mainly using again simple tools. We can see that the slope is upward, so we can understand that the trend, the major trend, is a bullish trend, just following this exponential moving average. Now we are in a kind of situation where the prices, as shown, or the stock is showing a little bit of weakness or weaknesses, so it's an old situation because the prices is not going up anymore as it was going before. So in this situation, let's see what we can do and if we can predict the next step of this stock. With my technical analysis interpretation, here it is how it looks, and those are the two possible scenarios. So first of all, bullish trend. The idea is to invest always in the direction of the trend, because generally it's easier for the price to keep following, to keep going toward the major trend rather than invert or revert it. So in this situation, the idea is to go long, as I just told you. The breakout of this major bullish trend line gives a weakness signal. Again, there was a breakout upward again at the beginning of October, giving again a strength signal of this market. But now we are again below this red trend line. The idea now is that, of course, I gave a 55% of possibility that to this stock to keep going upward toward the 135 US dollar, because the idea is to follow the major trend. As I told you, it's easy for a stock to go upward rather than going downward. But as we are right now, the best option is to hold and wait what is going to happen in the next days. Actually, waiting for the earning reports, and just actually, if we know what's going to happen there, if we read a lot of news, we can grasp something about these earning reports. If there will be good news and the is gonna beat the estimates the estimates of these earnings, the stock might jump up, and with the target price of 135 US dollars. So I think that in conclusion, because the major trend is a bullish trend, the idea is to go long, but just hold for now before going long, because this option 2, where the prices can go down up to this resistance level of 103 before going up, is still there. For a long-term investment, the idea is of course to go long following the major trend. There are not a lot of signals of this one could be seen as kind of formation of reversal pattern, but it does look like at the moment, it does look like as reversal pattern at the moment. So but it can be, but again, as I told you, most likely the prices will keep going upward, mainly based on technical analysis. I would suggest always to read a lot of news and just try to match fundamental and technical analysis. So in conclusion, just hold for now before going long, and let's see what's gonna happen the next days, and actually let's wait for the earnings report, or if you want, try it's more gambling to be honest, to go long, hoping that these earning reports is gonna be a good news, but we don't know. It's something that some insiders might know, but we don't know. So if this earnings report is gonna be good, the stock might jump up, or it can just be not affected at all by the news, as it happened for the previous stocks, or it can, if the news are negative news, it can drop down something like it has just happened to Intel. So that's why it's very important just now to wait this earnings report, and just bear in mind that this stock might keep moving for a while in this situation horizontally with these double options up or down without concluding anything, due to the situation that we are living right now with this coronavirus, with this election in the US, and with this perhaps, I don't know if riots that they are still in the US, even if people tend to talk less about those life matters or protests, but I think they are still going on there, even some riots or protests due to this election. So the situation is not the best one in the US right now. So those uncertainties, perhaps this is what we are looking at here, where those prices has been moving sideways rather than bullish, rather than up, rather than being going, rather than go uptrend. So the idea, as we are right now, so again, is just hold before going long. We need to see what's going to happen the next days, because this trend line has been broken 2 times, giving a weakness signal to this stock. So just hold for now before going long. Thanks, bye.